Hello, my sewing friends. It's been a hot minute since I have talked to you, hasn't it? Well, I'm back. I have been catching my breath from the holidays. The Christmas 2019 and New Year's 2020 holidays were very stressful. I ended up traveling about 20 hours in a car up to my parents' house where everyone congregates, and there was some trouble about some of the kids getting there and who was going what direction when they came back, and lots happening. I always say that my family, when they all get together, it's like the bird section of the pet store because there's just talking, a lot of talking all at once, and they're great friends, and so it's always fun to be around them, but boy, it was stressful. This year, it was stressful. So then I got back, and I've been organizing this room. You know, I'm one of those people that I can't work in a mess. That is not to say that everything has to be spick and span and, you know, perfect. Oh no, I'm that person that, you know, builds a pile of clothes on the floor and then finally says, okay, I've got to pick it all up. But it's a contained mess, you know what I mean? So, you know, there's stuff all over the floor here in terms of, you know, thread and dust and stuff like that. But I wanted to be able to see all my fabrics, so I've been in the process of wrapping them on bolts, wrapping the pieces, which has been really good because I have a lot of pieces of fabric that are really not big enough to do anything with, but they're too big to throw away. So that's been a good weeding out process. Well, that's what I've been doing. I haven't really been doing that much sewing. I did have an outfit that I wanted to do for Christmas Day, and I even took my sewing machine up north with me and my serger too. Well, then my serger got knocked out of time, and so the complicated thing, but when I got back, I took it all apart. I took it down to the metal, and that took a deep breath before I did it, but it's fine now. I got it all back together again. So I didn't get that outfit done, which was kind of disappointing. Oh, I did get it done when I got back. So I finished that, and actually I finished not more than about 5 things since October, which is why I haven't done a makes video. But yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting back into it again. I'm hoping to do the Joy Viv Vintage Challenge. I forget what the hashtag is. I'll put it here on the screen. But yeah, I've got some things in the works. Actually, this is what I'm making. I'm going to make the long version, and this is Simplicity 5850. And I'm going to do it with short sleeves. And I'm doing it out of this kind of a tie-dye looking gauze. I think it's cotton. I don't think it's rayon. I think it's cotton gauze, but it's kind of sheer, so I'll probably end up lining the bodice. I made a muslin last night, and I just kind of threw it together, and I feel like the fit's going to be okay. So there's that. I knew I needed a tailor's ham. I haven't had one for ever. I don't think I've ever had one. And I knew my mom had one at one point because she made a suit back in 1972, and it was a very big deal at the time. And I remember that she had one. So I asked her at Christmas, do you have that tailor's ham, and can I have it? And she said, I haven't seen it in years. So when I was up there, I went through her sewing things, and nope, she didn't have it anymore. So when I got home, I had been kind of perusing a website called Wawak.com. And that is a great, really great notions website. Or website for notions, that they have a lot of stuff that if you had an alterations business, then they would be a good supplier for you. So I knew they'd have it, and I did a lot of comparison shopping with Amazon, and even with the shipping being free with Prime, I just ended up needing a whole lot more things that I knew I could get at Wawak. So I ordered this, came within about 5 days. This is a ham. It looks like a ham. It's good for pressing things on a curve. It's flannel on one side, twill on the other, and packed with sawdust. You can make your own, which is why I held off for so long getting one, but I finally thought, okay, you know what? I just need to bite the bullet. So I did. So now I have that, and while I was at it, I got a seam roll, which is the same thing, flannel, twill, sawdust, but it's made to press a seam open on a curve or stick inside a sleeve. I still want to get a sleeve board, and I need a tailor's clapper because the wood in the tailor's clapper will absorb some of the steam and fix your fabric so that it stays the way it ought to. And a sleeve board is just a good thing to have. It's like a little mini ironing board made for sleeves. So I got those two things. I got a whole bunch of serger and regular thread. I got sewing machine needles, which I did a little bit of research about that because I didn't want to buy junk just because it was cheap. So I found out that if you have a European made machine, for example, a Pfaff or a Bernina or a Viking Husqvarna, those are the ones I can think of, you should get Schmetz needles. This is a pack of Schmetz needles. You can find these everywhere, like Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Joann's. That's what they look like. And so I've always bought these, but those are better for European machines. If you're going to have a Japanese made machine, which I think is what I have a Singer and a Brother, or an Asian made machine, maybe that's a better way to put it. You should get needles made for those machines, and those are needles made in Asia. So I did that, and they were cheap. They were really cheap. I got like 10 needles in a pack for like $1.45, and these were $5.49 for Schmetz. So yeah, these are Microtex sharp needles. Anyway, and I got a magnetic seam guide. I did this because that's what it looks like. It affixes itself to the throat plate on your machine. You just put it down, and there you go. I did this because my laser pointer, which has been working great, I left it on and forgot to turn it off, and now the batteries are all dead. So yeah, that didn't work. So those are some notions that I got. I am not sponsoring Wawak. I'm not sponsored by Wawak, but I can tell you that I really like the service and the stuff I got from them. So if you need notions, they're a good place to go, especially if you need thread or if you need tailoring kind of notions. Okay, so today I was out doing some thrift store shopping. I needed to drop things off at thrift stores at Goodwill. And then the one I went to has the Humane Society thrift store, just not very many doors down. Well, I went in and they had patterns. Oh my goodness, so I have a bag full of patterns here to show you. I'll go through them quickly just because you don't want to sit here all day, but I think I got some, good stuff. Not great stuff, nothing that bowled me over, but some fun things. Okay, so this is McCall's 4461. It is a Marlo Thomas pattern. I like the hoodie. And it is from 1975. Yeah. I have the Rodale Design Collection featuring Sandra Betsina. It is a complete wardrobe: vest, jacket, slim pants, full pants, t-shirt, dress, tuxedo shirt, gored skirt, and scarf. And it's multi-size pattern, small, medium, and large. So, holy cow, this had so much stuff. There are the line drawings. You can kind of see what's going on there. That was kind of a find. I don't know, I'm kind of anxious to get in here and see what it looks like. I mean, it's pattern tissue, kind of like regular pattern tissue. Interesting. I got this just because I thought maybe I'd need another one. McCall's 5720. It's an apron. I have an apron pattern that I like, and but this was just a little bit different. So I thought, well, why not? Butterick 31.99. Whoops. Is just some tops. I liked the turtleneck. Let's see. I don't know what this... Oh, 2001. This is from 2000. Finally, Butterick put a date on the pattern. They tend to not do that. Vogue doesn't do that. Back like in the 70s. So maybe that's why it's 2001. This is McCall's, Easy McCall's 69.79. Yes, learn how to speak, Jen. But I liked the drawstring pants, and I liked the jacket. And this is from 1994. So, okay, this is Butter Egg $34.96, and it's just a series of easy dresses, knit, and it's from 1994. So easy, easy peasy. A lot of these have writing on them. Put darts in, find waist and middle, and count up and down about 6 inches for darts. Resize a size 10, yeah. Let's see, Butter Egg 6474 is a nice little outfit kind of deal. I just liked all the things in it. And this is from 2000. So I'm getting a lot of patterns lately that are all from kind of that era. This is kind of a crop top and some drawstring pants. This one is new. This is Simplicity 2705. It is, let me get the date on it. It's from, oh my goodness, I need glasses. 2009. But it's, I mean, it feels new. It's never been cut. And, you know, I debated on this one, but I thought, yeah, just go for it. You know, I think these pants were what got me. I like the slim fit of them. So that's that one. This is Simplicity 8331. Is that right? Yes. And it's just some bags. You know, I got to the point where I thought, be picky. And then I thought, don't be picky. Just, you know, I liked this. It looks like a lunchbox. So I thought, yeah, I probably could find a free pattern for that. But why? Why shouldn't I just go ahead and go for it? Another one that hasn't been cut, McCall's 5977. I really like these tops. I just thought they were really cute. And this one is from 2009 again. Maybe somebody went shopping and just never did anything with these patterns. But you know, you gotta love the tank tops. Yeah. This one's old. This is McCall's 3461. Now, okay, I'm probably never gonna make this, but I bought it because it reminded me of a smock top that I made back when I was in 7th grade. I have another pattern that's probably more the one that I did, but I had my picture taken in it, my school picture. Hang on, I'll show you. Here's the other pattern, and here's the picture. I remember it was gingham and blue, like a Carolina blue. And the pockets were gingham, I think. It was kind of this idea. But yeah, there it is. My little 7th grade self. Oh my goodness. 1972, 73. Oh my gosh, it was a long time ago. Anyway, this one is from 1972. I don't know, maybe this was the one. I know my, the one here, I don't think it has a collar. Yeah, this doesn't have a collar. I gotta show you though, little heart buttons. Okay, so anyway, this one is from 1972, and there it is. Yeah, memories. Oh my goodness. Boy, that was a long time ago. Okay, Simplicity 7189 is a 1-hour shell. I just really liked all of these. I like the V neckline, I like the square neckline, and if it's a 1 hour, yes, please. I like that. McCall's 5460. Now, I grabbed this because of this color blocked dress. I just thought that was so cute. I thought, you know, I don't have that kind of stuff, and it's just one of those little dresses, easy to wear. This is from 1991. Boy, I'm getting a lot of 90s patterns, aren't I? Simplicity 9626 is another set of tank tops. Really cute. I like this one. I just thought that was really cute. Lots of options there. And this one is from, it's a Simplicity, so it's always really tiny. 2001. Where were you in 2001? Where was I in 2001? Vaguely remember. I was in California. Simplicity 1945. This has not been cut either, but I just really liked it. I've just liked everything about it. It does have, what is it that drew me to this one? I think it's this top and the pants. I just like the raglan sleeve. I like the cowl neck. So, yeah, this one is from, did I just tell you? No, I don't think I did. This is from, man, I need new eyes. 2011. That's pretty recent, actually. Whoops. McCall's 2531 is another kind of lots of options for formal wear kind of pattern. And this has not been cut. This is, you know, as new as it came. It's from 1999. You know, what I liked was the duster. And you know, that caught my eye, was the duster. Thought, that could be something I would wear a lot. Especially if I made it sleeveless. You know, I saw someone in a sleeveless duster today and I thought, ooh, I never thought of that. Where I live, that would be perfect. Simplicity 7496 is a series of tops. I just like them all. I kind of got on a top kick, didn't I? This is from 1986. Little crop tops, which of course are back in style. Who knew? Down to the last four. This one has not been cut. This is the first one I saw. Simplicity 2938. I liked this tank top. Kind of on a tank top thing, aren't I? I didn't realize that, but this just has a lot of good options. I like that. And this one is from 2008, I think. Simplicity, boy, none of these are cut. Well, that's not true. I think that one's cut, but Simplicity 9747 is just, it's easy chic. I like that dress. I just liked it. I thought, easy to wear, easy to make, easy. I love easy. This is from 2001. Simplicity 9510 is a 1 hour top, and I need t-shirts, so I grabbed it. I really do need to make some t-shirts. I've got some things that I've made that I need t-shirts to wear with them. One is a skirt that I don't have anything to wear with. Okay, this is, 1996. There we go. It was a long year instead of on the flat. Anyway, 1996, quick little things. This one hasn't been cut either. This is Butterick 3534, and I just liked the hoodie. Just really cute. These are all very, you know, kind of, it repeats, the style repeats over and over and over again in the pattern fashion world. This is from 2002, and so yeah, they come around, they go around. Cute little cropped pants with the little vent there, which I kind of like. I got 21 patterns, and I went up to the counter. They were supposed to be 93 cents each, and there was a 20% off sale going on. And I said, can you do any better than that? And they said, sure, we'll give them to you 2 for 1. So I got 2 patterns for 74 cents each, spent about $7, 21 patterns. Not a bad deal. I think I did okay. So that is notions, patterns from today, which I didn't expect to tell you about, and where I've been for the last little while. I'm hoping to come back with some makes videos, and I'll also let you know what's in the works for January. Just stuff I'm working on, in case you want to know. Yeah, so that's it for now for me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.